Is there a quick way to troubleshoot a stuck channel on Comcast TV?
Hello there. In today's video, we're going to learn a quick way to troubleshoot a stuck channel on your Comcast TV. This common issue can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps, you should be back to your regular programming in no time.
What is a stuck channel?
First, let's understand what we mean by a stuck channel. A stuck channel is when your Comcast TV seems to be frozen or stuck on a specific channel, and you're unable to change it with your remote. It could be due to various factors such as a cable box issue, remote control problem, or signal interference.
Power cycle your cable box.
One of the simplest fixes is to power cycle your cable box. To do this, simply follow these steps. 1. Turn off your TV and cable box. You can do this by pressing the power buttons on your devices or the remote control. 2. Unplug the power cord from your cable box and wait for about 30 seconds. 3. Plug the power cord back into your cable box. 4. Turn on your TV and cable box. This process will reset your cable box, potentially fixing any minor software glitches causing the channel to stick.
Check your remote control.
The issue may not always lie with your cable box. Your remote control could also be the culprit. It's important to check the functionality of your remote control. If the buttons are not working properly, you may need to replace the batteries or the remote itself. You can also try reprogramming your remote to ensure it is properly synced with your TV and cable box.
Refresh your signal.
Finally, if the previous methods do not work, you may need to refresh your signal. Comcast allows you to do this online. Visit the Comcast website, log into your account, and look for the option to refresh your TV signal. After initiating the refresh, wait for a few minutes. Your cable box should restart and, hopefully, resolve the issue. Those are a few quick ways to troubleshoot a stuck channel on your Comcast TV. While these methods solve most problems, remember to contact Comcast customer support if you continue to experience issues. They can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting methods or even schedule a technician visit. Thanks for watching, and here's to uninterrupted TV viewing.